Hi everybody, welcome today in the daily newspaper on a Monday, March the 9th, 2020. In this episode we have only one Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, so let's get started. Alright, let's start with the 2. I see here 1, 2, 3, 4 2s. So in the third column we have a 2 there. In the second column we have a 2 over there. So in the first column the only 2 places for a 2 is here and there, here and there. But I see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 2 is here. Then we go to the 7. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So in the second row, the row between, the only 2 places for a 7 is here and there. But I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 7 is here. Then let me see the 4. Yes, a 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for a 4 is here, here, or there. But I see here 4, so no 4 there. I see there 4, so no 4 there. Only place for the 4 must be here. Can I do something with the 8, 6? Yes. In this big square, one of the missing number is an 8. The 8 is missing in this big square. I see here an 8, so no 8 there. So the 8 could be there or could be here. So in this row we have an 8 in one of these 2 boxes. In the last row we have an 8 over there. So in this row the only 2 places for an 8 is here or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. Then in this row 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. 1 should be here. The other 3 numbers are 5, 6, and 3. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait for more information. Let's continue with this big square. 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 1, 2, 3 is missing, 6 is missing, and 7 is missing. I see here 3, so no 3 there. In these 2 boxes, 1 box left for the 3 should be this one. Now we have a 3 there. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. The 8 was missing. Now we have a 3 there. The 3 is also missing. And the 6 is missing. We have a 3 there, so no 3. In these 2 boxes, the 3 should be there. The only place for the 3. So we have a pair here. 6 and 8, 6 and 8 for this big square. 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Now we have a 6, 6, 6, alright. Can we do something with the 1? No. 5, 1, 9. Yes, the 9 in this big, in the first row, column, the 9 in the third column. So in the column between, the only place for the 9 should be there. Two missing numbers in the second column for the numbers 1 and 3. I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then in this row, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 7 is missing, and 9. 4, 7, and 9. I see here 9 and a 4, so no 9 and a 4 there. So we have a pair here, 9 and a 4, 9 and a 4. 1 digit left for the 7. 1 box left for this big square for the number 6. Then 7, 1, 5, and 9. Yes. 1, 5, and 8. Yes, 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 1 must be here. Then 2 numbers left for this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. We have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 6, alright. Then let me see. The 7, 7, 3. 1 should be there. The 9. Alright. We have the 4. Do we have the 4? Yes. Here we have a pair. 6 and 4. 6 and 4. Here we have a pair. 5 and 8. 5 and 8. 5 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Then yes, an 8 in this column, and 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for an 8 is here or there, but I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for an 8 is here or there, but I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. Then 9 and 9 and yes, 3 missing numbers in this row. The numbers are 2, 1, 2, and 9. 1, 2, and 9. The missing numbers of the third row. I see here 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. The 1 and the 9 are missing. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. one missing number in the middle column for the number 5, I believe. Yes, 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So in this column, the only place for the 5 should be there. One box missing in this big square for the number 6. One missing number in the first row for the number 1. One in this row, one in that row. So in the middle row, the only two places for 1 is here and there. But I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. And then 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only two places for the 9 is here and there, but I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. One box missing in this column for the number 3, yes. Then 6 and 7. Yes, in this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 9. I see here 9, no 9 there. I see there 9, so no 9 here. Here also a 9, so no 9 there. One box is left for the 9, should be here. Then 6, 3 and 5. Let's go to the number. Here we have 6 and 7, 6 and 7. Yes. Okay. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so in the middle row, the only two places for a 3 is here and there, but I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this last column, 3 in this last column, 3 the column next, so in this column, the only place for the 3 must be here. Then 2 missing numbers in this row, the 6 and the 5 is missing. I see here 5, so no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers missing. The 7 and the 9 are missing here in this big square. 7 and the 9. No, we have a 7. The 6 and the 9. The 6 and the 9. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. The 9 goes there. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column, so in the column between, the only two places for the 9 is here and there. But I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. One box is missing in this row for the number 4. 2 boxes missing, 7 and the 2. I cannot fill this yet. Same like here in the last column, 7 and a 2, 7 and a 2. Can I do something with the 2? No. The 5, yes, no. Yes, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. I see here 5, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. I see there 5, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. One box left for the 5 should be this one. One box left for the first row column for the number 8, I believe. Yes, 8. 8 is missing here. Can we do something with the 8? Yes, 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 3 places for an 8 is here, here, or there, but we have an 8 there, no 8 there. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. Only place for the 8 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for 2 is here or there, but I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so in the column between, the only place for the 2 is here. 1 box is missing in this big square for the number 7, 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 7 and 4, 7 and 4, we have a 7 there, so no 7 here, 7 should be here, 4 goes there, 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 7 and 6, we have a 7 there, so no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there, 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 6 and 4, we have a 6 here, so no 6 here, 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 missing number in this row for the number 5. 1 missing number of this big square for the number 6. So we have finished this in 16 minutes for this Sudoku Medium. Alright, an average time. Anyway, thank you for watching this episode. I see you tomorrow. If you like this, you can subscribe if you want. Download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Again, thank you, and I see you tomorrow for a new edition.